25-mile-an-hour wind, ice in the air. This little drone barely moves. This was during a recent ice storm. Stone Mountain, winds were gusting around 25 miles per hour. I wanted to see how well the drone could hold position in these conditions, so I launched it. I kept it hovering about 7 feet off the ground. You can see the snow and the ice blowing through the air and the trees moving with the gusts. Even with the wind pushing through the area, the drone's locked into its GPS grid and holding steady, real steady. In this second clip, I'm walking around while it hovers in place. No stick inputs, no corrections, just letting the drone's stabilization and GPS positioning do the work. For a small drone in icy, gusty conditions, it's impressive how well it stayed planted in the air. Potensic Atom 2. Get one.